The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Fairfield County in central South Carolina, southeastern Newberry County in central South Carolina, northwestern Calhoun County in central South Carolina, Lexington County in central South Carolina, north central Aiken County in central South Carolina, east central Saluda County in central South Carolina, southwestern Kershaw County in central South Carolina, western Richland County in central South Carolina, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles southeast of Batesburg, Leesville to near Gaston, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbia, Lexington, West Columbia, Casey, Irmo, Forest Acres, Batesburg, Leesville, Springdale, St. Andrews, Dentsville, Lake Murray Dam, Oak Grove, Red Bank, South Congaree, Pine Ridge, Gaston, Prosperity, Arcadia Lakes, Columbia International University, and Harbison State Forest. For your protection, seek shelter inside a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Boaters on Lake Murray are strongly encouraged to seek safe harbor. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Fairfield, and Newberry. The National Weather